Dear students, today we will discuss the third chapter of NCERT Class 9, Coordinate Geometry. Students, as you have already studied about how to plot a point on a number line. So you know number line and how to plot a point on the number line. Okay, suppose if you are provided with a plane and suppose you have to plot a point on that plane, so that time you cannot plot a point with limited ideas of number line only. So you need more lines to represent the position of the point. Suppose you are given a number line and you have to plot a point. So this side is negative side of the line. This is origin 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so this is number line and you know how to plot a point on the number line. Suppose this. Okay. Suppose one point is there, so how will you locate the position of this point? So just with the help of one number line it is not possible to locate the position of this point. Suppose this is point P. Okay, so to locate this point we need another line of reference that is perpendicular to the previous line. Okay, so now here also same division 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Okay, so here it is origin. So this plane, these two lines intersect each other perpendicularly and it wholly lies on the plane and it divides the plane into 4 parts. Okay, these two lines divides the whole plane into 4 parts: this part, this part, this part, and this part. Okay, so it is the special name given by the Rene Descartes, so who found the idea of study of the coordinate geometry we started, and he gave a very good idea of Cartesian plane. So this makes a plane and divides into 4 parts. This is we call it quadrant, first quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Okay, and this line is called x-axis, which is horizontal, and this line is called y-axis, which is vertical. X-axis and y-axis. Okay, and this is the point where these two axes meet each other is called origin. Okay, now it helps to find the position of the point P, which is not on the number line X. Okay, now with the help of this x-axis and y-axis we can locate the position. Okay, so its position along x-axis it is 2 unit far, and along y-axis it is from y-axis it is 2 unit far. Okay, it is 2 unit far from x-axis and 2 unit far from y-axis also. So 2, 2 is the position of point P. So this is the basic concept of coordinate geometry. And always remember students, always the value of x is written first and value of y is written secondly. Okay, so this is called the ordered pair. It is always in the form x comma y. So this is ordered pair. Suppose a coordinate of point is 2 comma 5. So this means this is the value of x axis, x unit, and this is the value of y coordinate. Okay, so x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, this also called abscissa also. Abscissa. So x coordinate is also called abscissa and y coordinate is also called ordinate. So this system is called the Cartesian system. And the plane we call it Cartesian plane. The plane is called Cartesian plane. Now we will see the exercise questions. That is from exercise 3.1. Question number 1. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? Suppose a table lamp is located on a study table, and how will you describe the position of the table lamp to other person? So answer for that question is, consider the lamp as a point and table as a plane, and choose any two perpendicular edges of the table and measure the distance from the longer edge. Okay, measure the distance from the longer edge. It is 25 centimeter suppose, and measure the distance from the shorter side. Suppose it is 30 centimeter. So you can write the position of the lamp as 30 comma 25 or 25 comma 30. Okay, the order you choose. Suppose if you choose like this is y axis and x axis, then what you have to write first? So you have to write the first x coordinate first. So 30 comma 25. Or if you are keeping this table like longer side this side and shorter side that side, then this is 25 and comma 30. Okay, depending on your order you fix the table. And exercise 3.2, I will discuss some questions. Question number 1, write the answer of each of the following questions. Okay, question 1 is, what is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine position of any point in the Cartesian plane? So this is your Cartesian plane and this is horizontal line. So what we call it? X-axis. X-axis. And the vertical line, it is called Y-axis. So answer is horizontal line is called X-axis and vertical line is called Y-axis. And second question is, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So I already discussed. So these two lines divides the plane into four parts. Okay, part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So it is some special name. I already told you, quadrant. Okay, quadrants. Okay, quadrants, that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. The third question is, write the name of point where these two lines intersect. So I think you already know the point is called origin. Okay. Another question is question number 2. See figure 3.14 and write the following. Okay, so we need to see the figure 3.14. Okay, so this is figure 3.14. So considering this figure, we have to answer the following questions. Okay, let us see the question. Okay, so the coordinates of B, the coordinates of B. So students, you need to draw this figure in your copy and you need to write the answer. So coordinates of B, so B, point B is here, so in first second quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant. So coordinates of B we need to write. So coordinates of B is, first we need to see the value along x-axis. Okay, so it is -5 comma, then we need to see along y-axis, so it is 2, -5 comma 2. So coordinates of B is -5 comma 2. Similarly, coordinates of C you can write. Okay, the point identified by the coordinates -3 -5. Okay, -3 -5. So both are negative, means it should be in the third quadrant. Okay, so -3 -5. So along x-axis it is -3 x-axis. Okay, and -5 along y-axis. Okay, so it is E. So the point whose coordinates is -3 comma -5 is point E. Another question is, the point identified by the coordinates 2 comma -1. Students, you can read. Number 5, the abscissa of the point D. Abscissa means x coordinate. X coordinate, abscissa of point D. So point D, you need to just write the value along x-axis. That is 6. So 6 is the abscissa of point D. Ordinate of the point H. Ordinate means y coordinate of point H. So here it is H. So y coordinate. So along y-axis we need to see. Okay, -3. So similarly you need to find the coordinates of the point L. Coordinates of the point L. So this L. Okay. So G is here. L is here. The coordinates of point L. So here x-axis, along x-axis it is 0. Okay, along y-axis 5. So coordinates of point L is 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. And coordinates of M. Coordinates of M. So here is M. So along x-axis it is -3. Along y-axis it is 0. So -3 comma 0. So this completes the second exercise of this chapter, and we will discuss another exercise in the next video.